Why don't sausages ever tell secrets? Because they might spill the beans. Or in this case, the meat. Today, we're exploring the intriguing world of sausage making. Originating from our ancestors' resourceful ways, sausages have become a global sensation, savored in countless forms across cultures. From the spicy chorizo of Spain to the hearty bratwurst of Germany, these culinary wonders truly know no bounds. But enough history, let's get our hands dirty and dive into the meaty process of sausage making. So what goes into a sausage? Well, it's not just a bunch of bologna. We begin with our protein-packed star, meat. Next, we invite our flavor enhancers, fat and salt. Yes, you heard right, fat. It might not be the ingredient of choice for your morning smoothie, but trust me, it's the secret to a juicy sausage. Then we add a splash of water to keep things hydrated. And finally, the casing, the unsung hero that holds this delicious ensemble together. With all these ingredients ready, it's time to grind and bind. Now this might sound like a dance routine, but it's actually the three-step combo to sausage stardom. Let's jump straight into the whirlwind of grinding, binding, and stuffing. Picture this. You're at a dance party. The meat and fat are the guests, and the grinder is the DJ, setting the tone for the night. As our meaty guests hit the dance floor, they're transformed into a beautifully ground mix, ready to groove to the next stage. Our dance party now turns into a mixer. We invite salt and water to join the fray, creating a blend that's as harmonious as a well-choreographed ballet. But remember, just like any good party, we want to keep things cool to prevent any party fouls. In this case, a warm mix might lead to a spoiled sausage, and nobody wants that. Now comes the grand finale, the stuffing. Think of it like stuffing a Thanksgiving turkey, only you're the one doing the stuffing and the turkey is a casing. It's a delicate balance, stuffing just enough to make it firm but not so much that it bursts. And voila, it's not just a sausage, it's a masterpiece crafted with patience, rhythm, and a dash of humor. And there you have it, a sausage link ready to sizzle on your grill or sputter in your pan. But remember, the sausage making process is like a dance. It takes time, rhythm, and a whole lot of shaking and stuffing. So, to sum it all up, imagine the process of sausage making as the most intense sports game you've ever seen. The meat, our star player, gets a good grind before being passed to the spices for a flavorful assist. Then, it's a slam dunk into the casing for the final score. And that's the long and short of it. Or should we say, the Link and Brat of it. Making sausages isn't just a process, it's a journey. And like any good journey, it's always better when you can share it with others. So go forth, make sausages, and may your meals always be meaty.